it only takes 1 second for a day on the water to turn deadly. That's why knowing proper kayak safety is so important. Here are just a few rules to remember.
Step 1. Equip your life vest. Simply slide it over your head and fasten both adjustable straps on either side of your body. Step 2. Check your essential gear. These are items you can use in an emergency, such as a whistle or waterproof camera. Step 3. Sit down first. Then, bring one leg up at a time, keeping your weight low and centered. This helps prevent tipping before you even launch. Step 4. Once seated, adjust your footrests and double check your vests and gear before pushing off.
And that's it. Kayaking is a great way to enjoy the water, but safety always comes first. Stay aware, stay prepared, and enjoy the water.